Hello mga kasado, welcome back sa ating channel. My name is KooKoo Crypto TV. At sa video na ito, pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa Metaverse Index. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayan, so ating alamin muna kung ano ibig sabihin ng market index or ng isang index. According sa Investopedia, a market index is a hypothetical portfolio of investment holdings that represents a segment of the financial market. The calculation of the index value comes from the prices of underlying holdings. So, ito yung key takeaways, no? Market indexes provide a broad representative portfolio investment of holdings. And then sabi dito, investors use indexes as a basis for portfolio or passive index investing. In short mga kaibigan, mga kapatid at mga kapaps, ang pag-invest sa index ay passive investing, ika nga. No? So sa crypto, paano naman nag-work yun? So basically, bawat index, no, binubuo siya ng piniling mga cryptocurrency na pinagsama-sama, tapos tinimbang yung market capitalization nila. And then, yung market capitalization na yon, kinakalculate by multiplying the number of units ng isang specific coin. And then, yung current market value niya, binabase yon against the US dollar. So, pag, for example, tumaas yung value ng isang cryptocurrency, tapos tumaas din yung market cap niya, syempre, tataas yung market cap niya, and then, yung value ngayon ng cryptocurrency or crypto index na yon, tataas din. And kung sakali naman na bumaba yung crypto index na yon, based against sa dollar, bababa din yung cryptocurrency na yon ng presyo. So, ganun po yung crypto indexing or yung pag-i-invest sa index. And isa sa mga benefits ng pag-i-invest sa isang index ay hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng maraming tokens. No? Dahil pag bumili ka ng maraming tokens, syempre, kanya-kanyang gas fee yan, kanya-kanyang cost na may incur. Unlike with index, bibili ka lang ng isang token na nire-represent yung isang market. For example, ito nga yung Metaverse. Ito yung pag-usapan natin kung ano yun yung mga tokens na nandiyan sa Metaverse na yan. And then, yun na lang yung kailangan mo i-monitor. So, hindi ka na mag-monitor na sa napakaraming tokens sa Metaverse. Okay? Ayan, kung paano mapapadali ang pag-invest nyo sa isang index, nandito ang Index Co-op para magawa natin yung passive investing ngayon. So, punta lang kayo sa indexcoop.com. And then, isa sa mga product ng indexcoop.com is yung Metaverse Index. Okay, so the Index Co-op currently has 342 million diversified dollars, diversified in crypto index products. So, tingnan natin yan, no? Diversified risk, Index Co-op creates and maintains the world's best crypto index products. All index products are always fully collateralized. And then, decentralized and autonomous. Index Co-op is a decentralized and autonomous asset manager governed, maintained, and upgraded by index token. So kung gusto mo mag-decide sa direction or sa kung ano pwedeng gawin, mag-govern sa Index Co-op, pwede kang bumili ng index token at bumoto din. Build with DeFi leaders. Our products are built on set protocols. Ayan. Battle-tested version 2 infrastructure. So in short, napakadali na mag-invest by ng index using Index Co-op. So meron silang product na DeFi Pulse Index, and then meron pa silang yung MBI nga na tinatawag, yung Metaverse Index. So pag-uusapan natin 'yan. So pumunta lang tayo dito sa products, and then click lang natin yung Metaverse, no? So nandiyan. Ito yung governance, gusto mong bumoto, and then yung other resources kung gusto pong malaman kung ano pwedeng ma-offer ng Index Co-op. So punta muna tayo dito sa Metaverse Index. So yung Metaverse Index ay pinagsama-samang mga tokens ng Metaverse, no? For example, games, no, or marketplace, no? So tulad nito, meron tayong AXS para sa mga Axie Infinity players, ILV, Illuvium, Engine, Mana ng Decentraland, and then Wax, and then Audio, no? Sand, Rari, no? Ito yung marketplace, Earn, Whale, Terra Virtua, and then Decentral Games, Niftex, Rev, Meme, saka yung Muse. So, ito yan. So, paano nila pinili yung mga tokens na yan? Sabi dito, zoom in lang natin. Ayan. So, the token must be available on Ethereum blockchain. Protocol must be in one of the following token categories. on CoinGecko. So, non-fungible tokens yan, NFTs, entertainment, virtual reality, augmented reality, music, and then more categories will be added in the future as the market matures. So, in short, no, ang pag-invest sa Metaverse Index ay parang pinadali na yung research mo. Sinama-sama na nila yung mga tokens na base sa pag-aaral nila ay maganda i-add doon sa MPI. No? Total market cap must be over $30 million. Protocol must have at least 3 months history of operation, and its token must have at least 3 months of price and liquidity history. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip, aralin yung mga ganitong bagay, pero binibigay na sa'yo ni Index Coop at ng Metaverse Index yung mga tokens na pwede mo pag-investan ng isang token lang, which is yung MBI. And then, an independent security audit should have been performed on the protocol and results viewed by the product methodologies. In case that an audit has been performed, the methodologies apply subjective judgment of the protocol based on assessment. So, based sa assessment nila, pag hindi na nakita nila hindi maganda yung token, tinatanggal nila yan sa MBI. Pero pag nakita nila na okay, then dinadagdag nila. Tokens will not be staked at the launch of index. This is subject to the change as liquidity increase and it becomes possible to safely generate yield through staking. So, ito yung index calculation. So, medyo technical na to. In short, kung gusto mo mag-invest sa mga tokens na to, na hindi mo kailangan bumili isa-isa, no? Mag-invest ka sa Metaverse Index. So, again, guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm simply educating you about Metaverse Index. And then, yung option nyo na mag-invest sa Index Coop. So, only invest the money that you can afford to lose and don't ever forget to do your own research. Kasi kapag hindi ka pa convinced at tinanong mo ako, KooKoo, okay ba yung MBI na yan? No? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa ginawa yung tamang research. No? Pero kapag ikaw mismo sa sarili mo may conviction ka na sa tingin mo, tama yung pag-invest sa isang token, and then, ibig sabihin nun, nagawa mo na yung tamang research. Responsibility nyo po yan. Okay? Kung ano po yung mga kailangan information, mabuti nandito yung video natin para i-educate kayo about Metaverse Index. So, ang price na ngayon ay 131.79. So, may kita nyo rin yan sa CoinGecko. And don't forget to follow Index Coop, yung Twitter page nila o yung Twitter channel nila, Twitter account nila, yung at Index Coop para sa mga karagdagang detalye. Alright. So, meron sinulat dito yung accelerated capital about yung Metaverse Index. No? So, pwede nyo puntahan yung nasa link yan, description para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, again, ito yon Index Coop Metaverse, MBI. Ayan, ito yung mga allocations nila. Ayan, Engine. Kung hindi pa kayo familiar with Engine, it's an ecosystem of products that make it easy for game industry businesses to develop, trade, monetize, and market with blockchain technology. So, pwede rin kayo mag-download ng Engine wallet. Then, token din siya. So, in short, maraming mga games involved with Engine. And then, Decentraland or yung Mana, the first fully decentralized world. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform where users can create and monetize content and experiences. So, users purchase virtual land on-chain, giving them full creative control over what content is published on their parcel. So, entire world controlled by a DAO which is its own platform smart contracts. Okay. So, ayan. And then, ayan, the Sandbox. Ayan, alam din natin yan. Okay, familiar to fans of Minecraft and Roblox, the Sandbox is a community-driven platform where anyone can create and monetize gaming experience on the blockchain. Ano pa? Redpax Labs is an emerging technology venture incubator based in the Southeast Asia, incorporated as joint stock company in Vietnam. Their goal is to build, launch, and scale high-growth ventures in e-commerce, e-media, sports gaming, e-travel, ride-sharing, logistics in Southeast Asia. So, yung token nila is RFAX token. Okay? And then, of course, Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a major participant in the play-to-earn gaming revolution. Players battle and breed collectible NFT pet called Axie. Okay? So, as the end of 2020, Axie Infinity is ranked the #1 game in Ethereum by daily, weekly, and monthly active users, even though it is still on early access, with expansive land gameplay scheduled to release later this year. Okay, and then the X token, ayan yung details. And then Whale is a social currency backed by the rare NFTs. The basket of NFTs underpinning the currency are held in the Whale Vault. Okay, so ayan, include some of the rarest digital assets from Gods Unchained, CryptoVoxel, Sandbox, Avastars, and variety of digital artists. Okay, so ayan. And then Rarible, of course, syempre, no? Rarible is a creator and centric NFT marketplace where anyone can mint, buy, and sell unique digital goods like artworks, game items, collectibles, and more. Okay? So, yan. So, Rarible. And then meme protocol. Ayan, this tweet from Jordan Lau was intended to mock the degenerate side of DeFi during the feverish DeFi summer of 2020. So, ayan, no? And then audio. Audio's intends to solve this by creating a new model for music streaming, Web3 technologies. Kumbaga, ito yung parang tatapat no, sa Spotify ng cryptocurrency or ng blockchain. Audio is fully decentralized music, no? So, ibig sabihin, owners are talagang sila yung may-ari ng mga revenues, and at the same time, music streaming protocol that allows artists to distribute and get paid daily directly from their fans. No, unlike with other platforms, no, may cut pa yung mga ibang platforms. No, ito, yung mga artists na kukuha talaga nila diretso na sa kanila. And then Muse is a governance token of NFT20, a protocol that seeks to tokenize NFT assets, making them tradable on decentralized exchanges. So anyone with NFTs is able to create a pool on the protocol and receive ERC20 token derivative of that. Ayan, so this creates liquid secondary markets for what are typically more liquid assets. So kung gusto niyo i-liquidate yung mga illiquid assets nyo, no? Pwede yan yung Muse. Then Decentral Games, no? Is a DAO-governed metaverse casino in Decentraland that players can operate using the ERC20 governance token. Community members earn DG by providing value to the ecosystem, such as playing games, providing liquidity, participating in governance, and referring to new players. So currently, ayan, yan yung mga tokens, and also yung Terra Virtua Collect is an immersive platform that allows collectors to purchase digital collectibles. So parang museum to, no? Or market, no, for arts, no, and digital collectibles, and display them in a virtual reality space called the Fun Cave. So meron ang sarili mong museum. Terra Virtua uses a gamified approach to engage its users in a new and interesting ways, turning the collectible experience into a virtual gaming experience. And then Niftex, ayan, is a platform for creating ERC20 tokens backed by NFT collectibles. Users are able to create and trade NFT-backed funds like Axie, CryptoPunks, CryptoKitties, and Avastars. So, right from a DEX like SushiSwap or Uniswap, this creates instant liquidity for NFTs which are typically highly illiquid and difficult to price. So, for example, Mystic Axis, no, pwede mong ilagay dyan sa Niftex. No? So, Niftex is the governance token of the platform. So, NFTX yan. And then, yung WAX, Worldwide Asset Exchange. WAX is both blockchain that is purpose-built for e-commerce transactions along with a protocol token that can be staked for government, voting, and rewards. WAX is the Ethereum version of the protocol's WAC token. Okay, so ayan. And then Rev, ayan, kung nagre-racing kayo, MotoGP, F1 Delta, is an ERC20 token that is used for purchase utility and action-supported play-to-earn motorsports. Blockchain games developed by Animoca Brands. Okay, so ayan, so virtual reality casinos and shopping centers play to earn gaming that can generate wages above doctors in some countries. Social tokens, ito yung pinagsama-sama na, no? Backed by rare NFT that unlock access to vibrant communities. So, the disruptive platform seeking to overthrow traditional models. The MBI offers an easy investable solution, ayan, to gain exposure to the cutting edge of the Metaverse and Web3 technologies. So, in short, guys, for example, kumita ka na, no? Anong next na gagawin mo sa income mo? Kailangan meron kang plano para palaguin ito. And one of the core values natin syempre is to educate our community, and at the same time tulungan sila, no, para mas mabago yung financial status nila, no. Hindi na tayo yung dati na nagpapakahirap, no, nangungutang at baon sa utang. Ngayon, kailangan alamin natin how our cryptocurrency will work for us or how money works for us. Okay? So para dun sa mga gustong malaman yung recent updates with Metaverse Index, punta lang kayo sa metaportal.substack.com. Ito yung July updates nila. So scan read lang natin. July turned out to be the renaissance month for the Metaverse and NFTs. We have seen significant price appreciation across tokens, individual NFTs, and entire collection. So even before pa, no, nagawin ko tong video na to, I already purchased MVI, no. Yung MVI na yon, the reason is because I want to have passive investment. And yung passive investment na yon, iniisip ko, 5-6 years from now, medyo maganda na yung returns. But this one, July pa lang, medyo maganda na yung returns. The MVI returned 102%, no, 0.6 in July, outperforming both ETH and BTC, which returned 11.5% and 18.7%. Ayan, so MVI has now outperformed BTC by about 9%. So imagine that, guys. No? So looking at the performance and this data, MVI's correlation to ETH BTC has come down a bit much. Ayan, so ito yun. Stats with some high-level performance data out of the way. Let's take a look at non-performance stats at NBI. So ayan, NBI unit supply. So medyo technical side na to, no? Ayan, so ito yung mga updates. Portfolio performance. July is the first month since the inception of NBI. So June to no? June sinimulan. Where the majority of tokens delivered positive returns. Overall performance was driven by 650 appreciation in the AXS token and 165 return of SAND, Niftex, Rev, TVK, and Muse also contributed. No? So yung mga tokens na nagko-contribute doon sa NBI, no? So for example, mababa yung SAND token mo or mababa yung AX token mo, pwede ka naman bumawi sa ibang tokens. No? So we write about AXS literally every month as the token continues to outperform. Just recently, Axie Infinity hit 1 million daily active users. So alam natin yan, lalo ng Axie Infinity player ka. Okay, and then ayan, so Niftex drop, Rev Racing, so ang dami pa mga updates, meme token. So dito malalaman nyo kung ano yung kung saan napupunta or naging ano yung updates doon sa token ng NVI. No, so punta lang sa metaportal.substack.com. So sabi diyan, in the most recent article we did a bit of Metaverse 101 providing an overview of Metaverse and NVI. Earlier in the month, we publish a high-level piece of Metaverse future of work. So for those of you looking for audio content, we recorded a podcast. So panoorin nyo din yan. No? So again, nire-rebalance. We successfully rebalance NVI in line with the methodology. We have added 2 new tokens, yung ILV tsaka ERN. Yan. Kita nyo naman kung magkano na yung ILV ngayon, di ba? And then remove RPAX due to poor liquidity. So for further details on the rebalance, check out Expanding Metaverse. So ang kagandahan nito, syempre ina-update ka dun sa mga tokens na involved sa NVI. And syempre tinatanggal nila yung mga hindi maganda nagpe-perform. And then of course, nagdadagdagan at the same time ng mga token na maganda yung performance. So yun ang kagandahan with index investing. Okay? So ayun. Punta tayo lang dito sa website nila ulit, no? So ito yung price niya. And then kung para makabili kayo ng Metaverse Index or yung MBI, all you have to do is just connect your wallet. No? So kung meron kang Ethereum wallet na may balance at gusto mong bumili ng MBI, then sa indexcoop.com, i-redirect ka niya na agad. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo lang is unlock wallet and then select nyo lang yung MetaMask and then piliin nyo lang kung ano yung tokens or wallet na merong laman na gusto nyo pambili ng MBI. And then for example, bibili kayo, no? So may detect yung balance natin. So bili tayo for example ng MBI na, yan, for example yan. So may kita natin estimate, so hindi pala kasha. So for example, bili tayo 1 ETH lang, 1 ETH. 1 ETH kailangan na 4 ETH. So 1 ETH, may makakabili tayo ng 24 MBI. So minimum receive, meron tayong 23.82 and then network fee natin. And then offered by Uniswap V2. So pwede rin kayo pumunta sa Uniswap, no? All you have to do is just go to coingecko.com, pero I guess dito mas madali na rin siya, no? So search nyo lang MBI. Ayan, Metaverse Index. And then, click nyo lang Add to MetaMask. And then, click Add Token. Okay. And then, so may kita nyo naman, all-time high nga is 8,800. All-time low is 1,285 noong June 22 yan. No? So, ito yung 2 months ago. No? All-time high noong April 7, 2021. Yan, so yung MVI natin na yan. Alright, so 24 hours, no? So 5,993 yung low, 7-day 24 high is 6,785. So kung bumili ka kagabi, 5,900 lang yon o tumubo ka na agad ng 785 pesos. Okay, so ayan, so close lang natin to. Ayan, close lang natin yan. And then, ayan, for example, so click mo lang yung buy, and then approve mo lang siya. So gas limit, so medyo tumaas siya. And then click mo lang yung confirm. So once you confirm that, automatically makakabili ka na ng MBI. So kung gusto niyo naman sumore ka, pwede rin kayo pumunta sa Uniswap. So click nyo lang tong Uniswap MBI info, click nyo lang yan. So mapupunta kayo ngayon sa Uniswap, connect nyo lang ulit din yung wallet, MetaMask. So reject lang natin to, no? So connect wallet, MetaMask, and then connect lang natin tamang wallet, and then click connect. And then search natin yung ETH. Yan. So may kita yung ETH, meron tayong balance. So click lang natin 1 ETH. So almost the same lang din naman. Diba? So 24 kanina, no? So tinry again natin. So 24 din, same. Dahil parehas lang naman siya pinagkukuhanan ng price, no? Which is Uniswap version 2 pa rin naman siya. So click nyo lang yung swap, no? Pag click nyo lang ng swap, automatically meron na kayong 24 MVI. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-purchase ng MVI. And disclaimer lang guys, no, I hold MVI in my portfolio, syempre. Kasi sa pinaka-magandang performance na token na pinag-investan ko. So, if you want to participate, then feel free, no? Again guys, aralin nyo muna mabuti at alamin nyo muna kung ano yung risk profile nyo before kayo mag-invest. So, I hope this video helps you. And kung may mga questions kayo, please feel free to send me a message. And don't forget to check the links dun sa description below para sa mga relevant links at important links na kailangan nyo puntahan para hindi maiwasan yung phishing site or ma-hack. And always follow yung Twitter account ng Index Coop para sa mga updates. And magbasa-basa tayo ng mga additional information para matutunan natin kung paano mag-work yung pera sa atin. So MVI is one of the options as an index dahil kung gamer ka din naman tulad ko at gusto mo magkaroon ng passive income at di mo na iniisip yung bawat pagbabago ng presyo ng iba't ibang tokens, then I think MVI is for you. Anyway, maraming salamat. This is KooKoo Crypto TV. Until next time. Bye-bye.